We're building a custom home, and we asked our builder why is there a 3-inch gap between this bathtub and the wall. He didn't know why. His excuse that he came up with on the spot was, I didn't know if you were doing a niche in the shower or something. We weren't doing a niche. But even if we were, you'd still have to frame out the wall to touch the tub so the den shield sits over top of it. We remember seeing this gap after framing was done, but we assumed the builder would take care of it and trusted that he had a plan. Nope.
So now what we're doing is we have to fur out this wall because the framer didn't make it small enough. So as you can see, there's a gap. And we don't want a gap. We want our den shield to be able to come right on top of the tub there. We took the den shield off. We're gonna add 3 inches to this whole frame and then put the den shield back on. Another DIY redo from licensed professionals. Not doing it correctly the first time.
We cut 4 studs to the same length of the studs that were already there and ripped it down to the width that we needed to fill in that gap. And then we attached them with 4-inch screws. Now that the framing's complete, it's time to cut the den shield drywall so it fits over on top of the tub and we can reinstall it. And we need to cut a new strip of normal drywall to put on the outside of this wall now that the wall is wider. You might be wondering why we fixed this ourselves and didn't force our builder to do it. At this stage in the build, we were already about to take over managing it. Up to this point, we had already had so many battles with him already. His framer would have charged for the fix, and we knew that it would take us less time to fix it ourselves than to fight with our builder over getting it fixed. And here's how it turned out. If you want to find out more about how much of a nightmare our entire home build process was, click the link in the description below and you can read all about it.